This audio is brought to you by B, the parenting app.
Making milk more interesting. My preschooler refuses to drink milk. What should we do? If your child does not like milk or takes time to have a glass of milk every morning, do not get impatient. Threatening the child is not a solution. Calcium is important for bones and milk intake is important for a child's health. So, you can try these techniques or give alternate sources of milk. Make a smoothie with bananas or almonds and milk. Give a handful of almonds and orange as a substitute. Sprinkle some sesame seeds in salads or add them when you knead a roti dough. Give plenty of curd or yogurt. In place of yogurt, you can also use cheese or ghee. This is a good substitute of milk. Don't start with a full glass and insist on finishing it. Try small quantities and gradually increase the intake. You can even pair it with your child's favorite biscuits or cookies. Give them options of colorful glasses to choose from so as to make the milk consumption appealing. For more insights, download B, the parenting app. Thank you.